AI can write, AI can design, AI can generate faster, cheaper, maybe even better than you. But can AI create? That's the real question. Last week, OpenAI dropped their Super Bowl ad, and this time the message had actually hit. They finally got that messaging just right. It wasn't about the tool, it wasn't about AI, it was about humans creating with AI as the tool. They claimed to make this commercial more rapidly with AI prototyping and story mapping, but it was purportedly all made by humans in the end, and it ended with a great question, and one we should all be asking. What do we want to create next? But more importantly, who's creating it? See, here's the thing. There's a fundamental difference between constructed content and created content. AI constructs, it assembles, it refines, it optimizes, it's fast, it's scalable, but is it art? Is it insight? Is it human? G.K. Chesterton said it best 100 years ago in his commentary on Charles Dickens. He said, quote, "A thing constructed can only be loved after it is built. A thing created is loved before it exists." So, created content? That's the poem in your head before the first word is written. It's the painting you can see before the brush touches the canvas. It's the story you feel before you even know how it ends. Constructed content is different. It's a street sign, it's a technical manual, it's a product description, it's useful, it's necessary, but no one falls in love with a street sign before it's built. It's only after that it can be, if it is ever, loved. But wait. If constructed content from AI can be loved by the consumers of it, then what does it matter how we get there? Can't AI help us create content that is ultimately loved? Well, yes, it can. This is the key. Ultimately, created content is not better for humans because it makes the content itself better. In the end, constructed content may be just as effective, just as engaging, and loved by the audience. No, the true value of created content lies in what it does for the creator. When we create, we don't just express an idea, we live with it, we refine it, we struggle with it, and ultimately fall in love with it before it's expressed. That journey transforms us, sharpens our mind, deepens our perspectives. That friction makes us better humans. AI doesn't dream. AI doesn't wrestle with an idea at 2 a.m. AI doesn't feel the friction of that raw, messy struggle of shaping something from nothing. So the question with what do you want to create today? Well, if you're going to use AI to do it, if AI doesn't make you better in the process, more creative, more curious, more human, then why are you using it at all? Now, I get it. Your inner CEO might say, I don't care about your feelings. If it can be just as loved, why not automate it? But here's what you should care about. The bottom line. A wiser, more creative employee isn't just happier, they're more profitable. Why? Because a button-pushing robot follows instructions every time. A wiser, creative team member finds better instructions over time. They start trying to solve problems before they actually happen. They have more capability to generate new ideas that push the company forward. When our team members are engaged, when they're wrestling with ideas, they're not just completing tasks, they're inventing better ways to do them. That's not just valuable, it's irreplaceable. So let's stop asking, can AI replace us? And start asking, how does it make us better? What do you want to create next? That's the real question. Want to read my whole article on this? Well, head on over here. Check it out. In the meantime, remember, it's your story. Make sure you tell it well.